Hello, Barry Anderson here from the Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and there's no doubt about this one. This is PALT. Now, if you were in the trading room yesterday, you know I was talking about this one as maybe a sympathy play with DATs. They're both chat programs and all, and DATs, of course, went crazy. It's going crazy again today. And I said, well, you know what? This PALT looks like it's kind of the same sector, and it could do something crazy. And my goodness, did it ever! So there are tons of us. And now this don't think about this. This was just demonstrating how you could take a trade on a pullback and never pull back there. But lots and lots of people in our trading room in this PALT. I mean, it's a low float situation. It's up 143% right now, up $7.50. Absolutely, the trade of the day. It triggered. It triggered for me right about here. I wanted it to take out the high. Actually, it was 6 something. Wanted to take out this high. Yeah, right there. That high right there. So it triggered. And then I watched it. And man, oh man, what a run it's been on. So absolutely, the trade of the day is PALT. If you're in the trading room, you know, probably you experienced trading it. But as I said, I was pointing it out yesterday as a potential sympathy play to DATs. And boy, was it ever. All right, I want to get back into the room, but you want to take advantage of all of this. You can try our test drive. Our test drive starts October the 11th to the 22nd. That is 10 trading days. You can have access to our full trading program. You'll see the link in the email you're getting. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.